Cluster edge, slip stitch, chain 1, yarn over, pull up a loop into 2 spaces, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, chain 3, yarn over, pull up a loop into 3 different spaces, yarn over and pull up through all loops except the last one, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. From here just repeat, chain 3, yarn over, pull up a loop into 3 different spaces, and then yarn over and pull up a loop through all except the last one, and then again yarn over and pull up a loop through 2, chain 3, and repeat for as long as you need. Simple zigzag border. Yarn over, pull up a loop, chain 1, and slip stitch into the next space, and just repeat, chain 1 and slip stitch to the next space. This is a very easy border, but it looks very nice. Granny border. Yarn over, pull up a loop, chain 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2 in the same space, and repeat as another double crochet into the same space, all of them in the same space. Skip 2 spaces, yarn over and work 3 double crochet in the same space.